Turning a brilliant idea into a successful invention requires more than just creativity. It demands strategic planning, legal protection, and market savvy. If you've ever thought, I have an invention, what do I do now? This guide will walk you through the essential steps from concept to market. First, understand that you cannot patent a mere idea. Your concept must be developed into a specific, detailed invention. Begin by thoroughly documenting your invention in a proper inventor's journal with consecutively numbered pages that cannot be removed. Have witnesses sign your documentation to establish a timeline of development. Create detailed sketches and drawings that clearly explain how your invention works. If you lack drawing skills, consider hiring an illustrator to help visualize your concept. These visual representations will be crucial for patent applications and when explaining your invention to potential partners. Before sharing your invention with anyone, protect yourself legally. A confidentiality agreement, also known as a non-disclosure agreement or NDA, is essential when discussing your invention with third parties. This contract prevents others from disclosing or using your invention without permission. Without such protection, someone could legally take your idea. Market research is a critical early step. Determine if your invention solves a real problem and has commercial potential. Conduct a thorough search on the USPTO website to ensure your invention isn't already patented. Research similar products to understand your competition and estimate manufacturing and distribution costs to confirm potential profitability. Developing a prototype is one of the most important aspects of the invention process. A physical representation allows you to test functionality, identify flaws, and make improvements. It also provides something tangible to show potential investors. Consider hiring a product designer to help create your prototype. Many freelance designers offer reasonable rates for inventors. When seeking patent protection, you have several options. A provisional patent application gives you 12 months of protection while you develop your invention further. This application requires a detailed description of your invention, but doesn't need the formal claims section required in non-provisional applications. Utility patents protect the functional aspects of inventions, including machines, systems, or methods. These patents provide 20 years of protection from the filing date. Design patents, on the other hand, protect only the ornamental appearance or design of a product and last for 14 years. Some inventions may qualify for both types of protection. While you can file patent applications yourself, hiring a patent attorney is highly recommended. Patent attorneys understand the complex legal requirements and can help maximize your protection. The USPTO reported that out of 1.5 million pending patent applications in 2012, only 270,000 were issued, highlighting the complexity of the process. Once your patent is secured, you must decide whether to manufacture and sell the product yourself or license it to an established company. Manufacturing gives you complete control over quality and pricing, but requires significant investment in production, marketing, and distribution. Licensing allows another company to produce and sell your invention in exchange for royalties, requiring less capital investment but yielding lower potential returns. Funding your invention's development and commercialization presents multiple options. Consider applying for loans or grants, seeking venture capital funding, launching a crowdfunding campaign, or entering invention competitions. Each funding source has different requirements and benefits, so research thoroughly to find the best fit for your situation. Throughout the invention process, networking with other inventors and industry professionals can provide valuable guidance and support. Engineering students, inventors groups, and professional associations can offer assistance and advice based on their experiences. Remember that turning an invention into a successful product takes time, persistence, and strategic planning. By understanding the patent process, developing a solid prototype, securing appropriate intellectual property protection, and carefully considering your commercialization options, you can maximize your chances of bringing your invention successfully to market.